Guys, back with another video. Now today I'm gonna basically clean the fabrics in my car because it is so bad. So I'm gonna show you how it looks, but other than that, I want to know how you guys doing. I hope you guys are doing great because I'm doing great. You know, it's always good to see another day, of course, you know what I'm saying. So we're gonna get through this video. All right, hold on. Yeah guys, so I got this thing right here, you know what I'm saying. I don't know what it is. It's probably ice cream or yogurt, you know. So I'm gonna be using the tough stuff. I'm gonna use it to get these stuff out of here, you know. It's all over here. And I also gonna show you the back seat. Yeah guys, so this is the back seat, you know what I'm saying. I know you could see all here is all dirty and stuff, you know. See right here, all here, it's all dirty, you know. So I'm definitely gonna be working on that, trying to get all those stains out, you know what I'm saying. And I'm gonna go and get the stuffs out the trunk, you know. Yeah, it's bad. So it's a little thing that I'm gonna be working on, a little project, you know what I'm saying. So let's go get it. Let's go make this happen. All right guys, I'm back. So I got the tough stuff, you know. I want to work on that, and I got my microfabric cloth right here. So all right, so first thing you do, gotta shake that joint well, as so. Spray it on the surface, let the foam build up like that. Fill it here, all in here, here of course. I'm gonna spray it on that seat. Now let that build up. Okay, then spray the rag, just for the rag to have a little spray, you know. Okay, let that build up. So what it's doing right now is basically soaking up all the, you know, the dirt and stuff like that, you know. Hold on, yeah. Get over here. And you gotta make sure it's upright too, because if it's not upright, it may not spray, may not give you that good foam that you expect. So I'll cover that, put this right over here, and just wait until it basically lifts up the dirt and stuff on the seat right here. I checked the driver's seat, but it seems like I don't have to clean it, but we'll see. Yeah, so I'm just giving it some time to basically lift up all the dirt, and then from there I'm going to take the microfabric cloth that I have here, then I'm going to be scrubbing it down until that dirt is gone. So stay tuned. Okay, seems like we can get a little work done. So let's see. Oh, see, it already disappeared. Spray some more right over here, and then spray a little bit more over here. So you guys remember that white stain that was there? Look at that, it's gone. Now look at that, guys. You know what I'm saying? I mean, the way it was before, I could hardly see it, but I know you could probably see a little right there, but it's not bad the way it was before. You know what I'm saying? This right here is good. Now I'm gonna work on this right here. what I'm saying? You can see a little dirty, so try to clean that off. Alright guys, so I already sprayed it. Now I'm just waiting until it basically picks up all the dirt, and then from there I'm just gonna scrub it down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, hope you guys are having a great day. I surely am. You know, probably won't wait. It's good to do it while it's wet. Bring that out. Look at that, guys. That looks great. Oh yeah. That's perfect. Oh yeah. See this whole chair. Looks pretty good. Seat looks pretty good. So now we're gonna work on the back seat now. Just finished the front. Now I'm gonna apply the tough stuff on the seat here. You know, guys, it's so crazy that, you know, you gotta pay somebody $165 just to do this. You know what I'm saying? They get all that money, but when you can just do it yourself, you know, that is just crazy. So I'm like, why do that when I could just do it myself? You know, save that $165 in my pocket. You know, I won't feel embarrassed, you know, when people come sit in the car and be like, damn, why this guy's seats are so dirty? You know? And there's a story for that too. I was going to Virginia and had a friend of the family, and they was had their kids, and the kids was little at the time. You know, they was little at the time, and you know, they didn't know no better, so I wasn't really upset. Just fixed that like that. Wasn't really upset, so you know, it's whatever. You know what I mean? Now these kids, you know, they're grown and doing what they supposed to be doing, and you know, I want them to continue moving on in life, you know? Make good things for themselves and for their family. That's what we want for our kids, or, you know, friends of the family, you know, and kids to grow up to be good men and women and be better than us, you know. So all we do is lead the way for them and make them make the right choices instead of doing the wrong, and never follow bad people or do negative stuff, because all negative stuff would just basically hold you back. You know, people won't look at you the same, or you know, wouldn't want you to come by, because all you do is have negative vibes or negative response and stuff. But you know, always do good by people, especially if you want them to do good by you, you know, because people don't understand life is short. You know, they're always doing a whole bunch of F stuff, and then when they think about it, like, oh, Damn, I'm stuck here. I did this. So, you gotta live with the consequence. So, you could avoid all that consequence, you know? Let's see how this look. Okay. Not bad. See a little thing here. Gonna work on that. But so far, it looks good. Looks real good. I'm gonna get it a little bit here. Yeah, you know. Just do good in life, guys. Yeah, this should be almost done once I scrub this part. And then I'm gonna go check on that side and see. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, that's perfect. See this right here? Scrub that. Alright, it's not bad. Better than before. So now I'm gonna go check on the other side. Yeah, this side is just terrible. Look at that. All bad. But gonna work on that. Yeah, so we're gonna apply it right here. On the side, and let that soak up. Guys, I'm getting too old. I'm bending down and my back is just killing me. Ugh. Bending down too much. Pause. Alright. It's nice out here in New York, in the Bronx. I think right now it's like 40 something. It's not breezing or nothing like that. It's just perfect. The weather is just perfect. You know? Alright, so let's get to it. Alright? Perfect. Yeah. No, it's been there for a long time, but looks good. That looks perfect. Oh yeah, looks real good. So guys, if y'all know about this, make sure y'all get this, all right? Tough stuff. Multi-purpose foam cleaner. Hear that? Deep cleaning for fabric, carpet, and vinyl. Make sure y'all get this. So guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Make sure y'all subscribe if y'all haven't subscribed. You know what I'm saying? Just hit that subscribe button right there on the bottom. And I hope you guys have a good one. All right? Peace.